Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the science behind beauty. Today, we're tackling a skincare powerhouse that's been around for a while, but with a fresh twist. We're talking about the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Power Facial Serum, a high-performance anti-aging serum that promises to improve the appearance of wrinkles, dark spots, and overall skin firmness. With its reputation and formulation, it's no surprise that Neutrogena is back with an updated version of this serum. So, let's dive into how it actually performs and whether it's really worth the investment. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Power Facial Serum comes in a sleek 1 fluid ounce bottle designed for daily use. It's marketed as Neutrogena's highest concentration pure retinol serum, boasting a formula that not only targets deep wrinkles, but also stubborn dark spots. It's fragrance-free and, most importantly, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, and dye-free, making it a good option for sensitive skin types. Retinol is the star ingredient here, a dermatologist-recommended form of vitamin A. It's scientifically backed for its ability to accelerate skin turnover, stimulate collagen production, and fade dark spots. But with high-strength retinol, there's a fine balance to strike between efficacy and irritation. So this formula includes a soothing complex to help nourish the skin and minimize that potential redness or flakiness that often comes with potent retinol. Now, let's talk about my experience with this serum. I've been using it for about 2 weeks, applying it nightly as recommended. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, which I appreciate, especially for those of us who are always in a rush with our skincare routines. I did notice a bit of a tingle on the first couple of uses, which is typical with retinol products, but it didn't escalate into irritation, thanks to the Nourishing complex in the formula. After just 1 week, I noticed a visible improvement in my skin's radiance, and the fine lines around my eyes seemed a little smoother. By the second week, my skin felt firmer, and those stubborn dark spots, while not completely gone, had noticeably faded. Keep in mind that this serum is targeted for those who have already used retinol, not beginners, so if you're new to retinol, you might want to ease into it with a gentler product first. Let's break it down. Pros: effective formula. The high concentration of pure retinol really delivers on its promise to improve wrinkles and dark spots. Soothing complex helps reduce irritation typically associated with strong retinol, making it more tolerable for those with sensitive skin. Fast results. I noticed radiance and smoother skin within a week, which is impressive for a retinol product. Non-Comedogenic. It won't clog pores, which is a major win for those with acne-prone skin. Cons: stronger retinol concentration, not for retinol beginners, as it could lead to irritation if you're not used to stronger formulations. Price point: Neutrogena is a trusted brand, but it's still a bit on the pricey side for the amount you get, especially if you're looking for something more affordable. When we talk about value for money, the effectiveness of this serum does justify the cost. Retinol is a proven ingredient in the anti-aging world, and the added nourishing ingredients make it a good balance between potency and comfort. However, if you're on a budget, there are other retinol serums out there that deliver similar results at a lower price point. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple and sturdy, and the pump dispenser is great for controlling how much product you use. It's easy to incorporate into your skincare routine without any mess. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a more affordable option, you might want to try Serum Resurfacing Retinol Serum. It's not as strong as Neutrogena's formula, but it's a great choice for those who are just starting with retinol or looking for something gentler on the skin. So, does it live up to the hype? Absolutely. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus delivers noticeable results without the harsh irritation some other retinol products cause. I would recommend this to those who have used retinol before and are looking to step up their anti-aging routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've tried this serum, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you're interested in purchasing the product, you can find the link in the description box. Thanks again for joining me on Beautyistic. Stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you next time.